Which of the following numbers is not a solution of the inequality 3x minus 5 greater than 4x minus 3? So first let's find the solution and find out what are the answers. So I'm gonna subtract 3x from both sides of the inequality, so it will be x in this side, negative 5 here. Then we're gonna add 3 to the both side. X gonna be less than equal negative 2. So whatever is above negative 2 is not gonna be a solution, is not gonna be the answer. So the only one that is above that is negative 1. It's greater than negative 2. All right. Based on the histogram above, of the following, which is closest to the average number of seeds per apple? So we have 12 apples, and this is showing number of seeds in each apple. All right. So basically, we have 3 seeds in 2 apples. So we want to find out all the seeds divided by all the apples. So to do that, I do 3 times 2 plus 5 times 4 plus 6 times 1 plus 7 times 2 plus 9 times 3 divided by 12. 3 times 2 is 6, 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 1 is 6, 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 9, 27. Then 6 plus 14 is 20, 20 plus 20 is 40, 40 plus 6 is 46, 46 plus 27 is 73 over 12. This is about 6, so it says closest number to the average. 6 is the closest number to the average. It's basically going to be 6 point something, so the closest number is going to be 6. All right, question 13. A group of 10th grade students responded to a survey that asked which math courses they were currently enrolled in. The survey data were broken down as shown in the table above. Which of the following categories accounts for approximately 19% of all the survey respondents? All right, so all total survey respondents are 310. You want to find out which is 19% of that. So easiest way is to find 19% of 310 and then find out which of these numbers in the table are actually close to that number. So 19% of 310. I'm actually solving this without calculator, but you will be able to use calculator in the exam in this part. So to do that, I should multiply 19 to 31. So it's going to be 9, 27, then 31, 9, 8, 5 divided by 10. So it's going to be 58.9. 58.9. It's very close to 59, right? So here, male who get geometry. There we go. C is the answer. All right, so this table is looking at length of fish in inches. The table above lists the length to the nearest inch of random sample of 21 brown bullhead fish. The outlier measurement of 24 inches is an error. Of the mean, median, and range of the values listed, which will change if the most if the 24-inch measurement is removed from the data. All right, so if we remove 24-inch, okay, so first of all, let's count how many data are there. So definitely average will be changed, right? On the other hand, let's see if the median change, okay? The median here before removing is, so first of all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 values. 3 times, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 21 data. So the 11th data is the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 is a median. Now if you remove 24, 10 and so median would not change. So B is definitely not the answer. They will all change by the same amount. Will not be the answer as well. So it's either mean or range. So mean is the average basically. Range of the data will also change a lot, because range is now from 8 to 24. And now it's going to be 8 to 16, right? So range will change the most. Mean also change, but not as much, because here is 8 unit change. Mean wouldn't change 8 unit by removing 24. So that's definitely, you can calculate it, but definitely it's not gonna change as much. So range is the one that will change the most. Question 15 and 16 refer to the following information. Okay, total cost of renting a boat by an hour. All right. The graph above displays the total cost in dollar of renting a boat for hours. All right. What does c-intercept represent in the graph? So basically, if you do not even use it any hour, like you just go there and rent it and give it back, you should still pay $5, right? So that's the initial cost of renting the boat. Done. A is the answer. Which of the following represent the relationship between H and C? All right. So we know this is a linear equation. So linear equation y equal mx plus b. B being y-intercept. So here it's c-intercept. So b gonna be 5, right? So this is not the answer, this is not the answer. M is the slope, rise over run. So let's make rise over run here. So rise is 5 goes to 8, rise is 3, run going to be 1. So it's basically 3 over 1, which is 3. So it's 3h. C is the answer. 17. The complete graph of information the complete graph of the function f is shown in the xy plane above. For what value of x is the value of f of x at its minimum? Alright, so this is f of x. Where do we, so this is the x value here. We want to find out where in x, f of x is going to be in the minimum. So this is the minimum. So where is the x? -1, -2, -3. B is the answer. In the xy plane, if 0 and 0 is a solution to the system of inequality above, which of the following relationships between a and b must be true? Alright, so 0 and 0 is a solution. So if I plug in 0 and 0, both of these inequalities should be true. So 0 will be less than a, 0 will be greater than b. Okay, so b is less than 0, a is greater than 0. A is greater than 0, b is less than 0. So a is definitely greater than b. Done. A is the answer. A food truck sells salads for 6.5 each and drinks for $2. The food truck's revenue from selling a total of 209 salads and drinks in one day was 836.5. How many salads were sold that day? All right. So let's get the salad S, take salad S, drinks D. All right. So it's $6.5 salad, $6.5 S plus $2 D each will be equal to 836.5. Now we know they sold salad and drink together 209 units of them, right? So what can we do here? We can substitute, or we can do elimination. This is system of linear equation. So I can multiply this by negative 2 basically, right? So it's going to be negative 2s minus 2d equal to negative 418. And this still going to be 6.5s plus 2d equal to 836.5. All right. So if I add both sides of this equation, 2d and negative 2d cancel out. Negative 2s plus 6.5s going to be 4.5s will be equal to, now we have 836.5 minus 480. I use my calculator and make it easier. 836.5 minus 418. 418.5. From here, S going to be 418.5 divided by 4.5, which is going to be 93 salads. So there we go, we found salads, 93.